this guide, I will show you how to pay your bill or bills in PAYMAYA application. First, open your PAYMAYA application. Enter your username and password. Then click option. Then select pay bills. Search for your bill, like for example, MERALCO bill. Click the MERALCO icon, then enter your 26 digits MERALCO reference number. Amount, then click continue. Click pay. Then now your payment is successful. If you like to pay your other bill or bills, just repeat the procedure. If you learned something in this video, please click like and subscribe button. Thank you.